Alright guys, today we're doing a set of VVT solenoids on a 2016 Malibu with the 1.5 liter Ecotech. Has a code for p0017. There's also no oil in the car, so I already did the oil change. p0017 is for the exhaust VVT solenoid. We're just going to go ahead and replace both of them. First we got to remove the engine cover. And that's a T27 Torx bit. Once that Torx bit is out, take the oil cap off. Almost forgot that part. Then the cover pops off. Once the cover pops off, we got a sound insulator underneath here. Once we have that all off, we can get to the VVTs. So here's the first VVT, the one with for the exhaust. There's a little gray clip here you pull out, and then you push this in, and the electrical connector comes off. It is a 10 millimeter. I picked up this electric ratchet off Amazon for, I think it was 75 bucks. I will put a link in the description because this thing is phenomenal. But once you get that 10 millimeter bolt out, you simply just pull the VVT out. There it is. A lot of times this screen will have debris stuck in it. In this case, it does not. So here's the second VVT, and this is the intake side. Same thing, pop the little safety clip out, push the clip in, slide it off. One single 10 millimeter bolt. Got it out. And now once again, all I do is twist and slide. Sometimes if they get a little stuck in there, you have to really twist it to get it out. But in this case, I didn't have to. Alright guys, so I got the two new VVT solenoids. And they go in very easy. This is the intake one. Slide it in. Sometimes a little twisting motion helps. And secure it with the one 10 millimeter bolt. And plug the electrical connector back in so you can hear the snap. Give it a little tug, make sure it's really tight. Alright, now we're putting the exhaust one in. Same thing. Slide it in, give it a little wiggle to get it to sit in. Tighten up the one 10 millimeter bolt. Plug the electrical connector in until you feel a snap, then try to tug it. Once that's all in, put the engine cover or the sound insulator back on. That's on. Pop the cover back on, and then put the one T27 Torx bit in, and then we're done. I'll put a link in the description where you can get parts for this off Amazon. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe to help me out. Thanks.